Om Sairam. Let me share a Baba's Leela, that Baba's miracle, I should say. Because Baba, when he comes to you in different ways. It's only that you need to see him. So this was the incident that happened to me in the year 2023 November, if I'm not very much wrong. We went to Shirdi. That was my first time travel to Shirdi. Me, my husband and my daughter, we went to Shirdi. And once we were traveling, our train tickets were confirmed. But from Manma to Howrah, our tickets were not confirmed. It was in RAC. So we had a stay in Shirdi for 5 days. We had a good time, but we kept on checking that if the RAC is confirmed. It was RAC 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 4, something like that. So it was very near, so we know that it will be confirmed. So the day came, we kept on checking, and we had a train from Manmad at around 1 o'clock. So we started from Shirdi at around 9, 10. So my husband said there is only one confirmed ticket and 2 are still in RAC. So when I went there to Baba's temple before coming, I told Baba, this time I need to go because I have many responsibilities which I have to fulfill. Let me do that, and please allow me, because usually it is said in Sai Charitra that when Baba permits you, only then only you can travel, and that's very much true. So what I did, I just took his permission. I was crying and taking his permission, and this is, I will tell you how he gave me his permission. So after that, we started our journey. We kept on our way from Shirdi to Manmad. I kept on praying, saying, Baba, you are all, means you are going to do all the miracles. So we reached Manmad, and it is a very, dungeon station, I should say. Very dark. The train arrived, and the train there had a halt of only 3 minutes, and so we had to rush with 3 of us. But when the train came, as we were rushing inside, one of the person, maybe he's a pantry boy, he came and said, धीरे चलिए, इतनी जल्दी में कुछ नहीं है, ये ट्रेन रुकेगा यहाँ पे. तो मैंने बोला नहीं सर, इसमें तो सिर्फ 3 सेकंड का वो है, 3 मिनट का है. तो बोलते नहीं आप चलिए, कुछ नहीं है. And believe me, we went. There was a person standing inside, even he helped us. And the train was there for around 5 to 6 minutes. Just think, where 3 minutes and where is 5 to 6 minutes. So we settled our daughter. She had, it was 2-tier AC, so she had the upper berth. She went there, and there was a family, like 2 old people, who said that, अच्छा बेटा आपका सीट कहाँ है? तो I said, sir मेरा ना सीट कंफर्म है, वो RAC में है. बोले बेटे आपने मनमाड से क्यों किया? मनमाड से तो कभी कंफर्म नहीं होता है, आप पुणे से बॉम्बे से करना चाहिए था. तो ऐसे नो अंकल, मुझे पता ही नहीं था, ये मेरी पहली बार है इन शिरडी. इट वॉज बाबा's कॉल दैट आई हैड कम. बोले ठीक है चलो बाबा के पास है, तो बाबा की बेटी को बाबा कभी दुखी नहीं करेंगे, यू जस्ट गो एंड टॉक टू द टीटी. सो द टीटी सर वॉज देयर, एंड माई हस्बैंड सेड एज यू आर गर्ल जस्ट गो एंड टॉक टू हिम. सो I told my daughter, you sleep, and I just left my daughter there. I knew Baba is there. He's going to protect me. And then I went to another compartment and I requested. So I said, so he was writing something. He looked up and said that, शिरडी से आ रहे हो? बाबा की बेटी हो? तो I said, हाँ आपको पता कैसे? बोले नहीं, वो तो दिख रहा है. अच्छा आप पुणे से क्यों नहीं है? मनमाड से तो कंफर्म नहीं होगा. मैंने बोला आप कुछ तो कर दीजिए प्लीज़, अब बाबा के पास है. ठीक है. So and he said, today you're getting a confirmed birth, and ये किसने किया? मैंने नहीं किया, ये बाबा ने किया है. And that is when Baba allowed me to go. But before that he was not allowing. Even he was in a dilemma whether he wants his daughter to go back. But yes, that was the time when Baba told me, yes, abhi jao, go and do all your duties and then again come back. So, and fortunately I got the best place that I always wanted, that is side upper and lower berth. And the TT kept on saying me, आप जाके बेटी के पास lower berth में बैठ दीजिए, कोई आता है क्योंकि वो अंकल आंटी उतर जाएंगे, आप कोई आता है वहाँ पे चले जाइए, कोई आता है तो आप मेरा नाम दे दीजिएगा. तो वहाँ he also told us his name. I said, no uncle, it's no sir, it's fine. We can manage it because this is my favorite place. So he said that नहीं बेटी को अकेले मत छोड़ना. Then I said, no, I can see my daughter. It's okay, fine. So he said, okay, अगर कुछ problem हो तब चले जाना, ठीक है? I told, thank you so much. बोला नहीं, thank you मुझे मत बोलो, thank you साई बाबा को बोलो. Because the person who had to come in that this to birth, he did not come. He did not appear. So that is the reason you got it. And it is just Baba's miracle and nothing else. So you just thank Baba. And I thank Baba. And me and my husband it was like we were spellbound. And we just sat and was thinking, my God, how did it happen? So this is how Baba does all the miracle. It is only, you should trust him. You should leave your problems to Baba. Say, Baba, आप देखो मेरा प्रॉब्लम तो आपका है, मैं तो खुश रहने वाली हूँ, मुझे तो घूमना है भाई, आप देखो आपको क्या करना है, मुझे घुमाओगे, मेरा ट्रैवल सेव करोगे, आपके ऊपर है, रेस्ट आई डोंट नीड, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेक द ट्रबल, आई एम गोइंग टू एंजॉय. एंड वंस यू डू दिस एंड बाबा इज देयर, he is like holding the umbrella and saying, you just go, no storm will stop you from doing that. And that is Baba's. Om Sai Ram.